This is my walkthrough of my animation slash game, the world's hardest game animation. So, as you see, this is the starting screen, the loading screen, and there's a button, and if we click it, then we load in. So as you see, our player's loading in. He's gonna fall down because of gravity. Gonna bounce up and down. And then there's gonna be an animation here. Yeah, so he says, "What the hell? Where am I? Time to explore." Moving around, jumping around. So animations, one of the key features. There's a ball. As you can see, he drinks his potion, which allows him to fly, which is how you're gonna move when you're actually like playing the game. Oh, he gets hit by the ball there, but he respawns, so he's fine. But he's angry now. Um, and now you get to actually play the game. So it's a gameplay. You have wall collision, as you can see. These walls very collide very smoothly, very smooth like movement. Can move up, down, left, right, even diagonally. So it's all great. And here, these are some balls. And just like in the animation, if you get hit, then you die. So I'll just show that again. If you get hit by a ball, then you die. You can sort of fade out. But now let's actually get through this so we can get to the end. Okay, and as you can see, there's wall collision here, and we're gonna go to the ending screen. So this is the ending screen. As you can see, you're constrained inside here, and there's three portals. So portal number one, the black portal, the void portal, it brings you to the void. Ending one, the void, pretty standard. For the third portal, the green portal of life, you get brought to the grasslands. It's a cat, there's bugs and stuff. Now, for the second portal, there's actually an animation here, so yeah, the player finally gets home in his home world. But then there's this purple guy who's called Boss, and you can probably guess what's gonna happen. It's gonna be a boss fight, they're arguing and stuff. He's gonna save the world, and basically, you have to avoid him and not get hit by him. And if you do, well, you get the game over screen, which is right here. Okay, so this is the end, and as you can see, there's a cutscene here. So, boss looks like he's like trapped the player, and he's about to push him off a cliff. But fortunately, the player has a trick up his sleeve, and he actually jumps over the boss, causing the boss to fall into the pit, and happily ever after. So, that is ending to World Peace, and those are all three of my endings in the World's Hardest Game animation, and that's the end of this walkthrough.